Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, so I'm out on the driveway with my new truck, Beastie, and I've had a canopy installed. This canopy was a demo model, so I was really lucky that they had it in stock, and it was the exact color match. Oh, I'm just so thrilled. So this is what the truck looks like with the canopy on it. I think they did a great job on this. So the windows are tinted, the same tint as the truck, and the side windows slide. And then there's a window on the back of the cab that slides open, and then the window on the back of the canopy folds down. So I can actually reach in from the truck into the truck bed through the canopy window. And with that folding window, I'll be able to wash the back windows of the truck. So that's pretty good. And the measurements from the top of the canopy to the truck bed is 41 inches, which should be plenty of room to get my trike in. And as you can see, I've made a trip to IKEA. I've pretty much bought everything I need for the kitchen, the bath, and the bedroom. It's almost like outfitting a one-bedroom apartment, so I've pretty much bought everything I need for the trailer, including a grill and a generator, a very small, very quiet generator, to make sure I have enough power when I'm out. But this is where Myrtle is going to be. So she's going to be under blankets. I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up some blankets. So I'm going to lock Myrtle in here. I've got ramps coming later today so I can get the trike in and out of the truck bed. And then I'm going to lock the trike in the truck bed and cover it with Harbor Freight blankets. And I'm also going to keep just everything I need for the trike back here. I'll keep all my touring gear, my panniers, the flags, shoes, side seat mount, the ramps, you know, just everything that I need, any kind of pump, tools, everything for the trike. So it'll be really organized. And whenever I want to take my trike to a trailhead, it'll just be really easy to unhitch the trailer and then and go for a trike ride. So that's kind of the idea of this whole big purchase and big change. Is I just want to have more comfort, security, and flexibility while I'm traveling, especially in the United States. So while I had the canopy installed, it took about an hour. I went with some friends, and while it was being installed, we went just a few blocks down the street is where I'm picking up the trailer, where I'm buying the trailer. And so I took them over to look at the trailer, and I did a walkthrough with my 360 camera. So let me show you what the inside of that trailer looks like. This is the Nash 17k. So this is a queen size bed, cubbies, storage up on top, got a fan above it, got a light. Here is the bathroom, got a fan, light, towel, hangers, and the shower has a sunlight, full toilet. And then here is the kitchen, microwave, stove, oven. I got 2 sinks, lights, and then here's the refrigerator. Figure out how to open it. Here it is. Here's the freezer. It's pretty good size. And then the refrigerator, also pretty good size. And then this is the wardrobe. There's some places to hang hangers up on top. And then the dinette turns into a bed. So just a simple walkthrough. I'm here with some friends. My truck is over at the Canopy place, so we're just kind of showing them the trailer while we're waiting for the canopy to be installed. But there you go. Yeah, sold, baby. So, kind of walk around it real quick. See it above, but this is the rear view camera, and I'll have a separate monitor in the truck. It's a wireless signal, and then just kind of walk around it here. So yeah, there it is. The Nash 17k. I'm going to be picking this up on Friday, and they're going to take me through a 2 to 3 hour class, and they said I'll be perfectly confident to drive this once I finish with that class. So it's pretty exciting. All right, you guys, so that's my update. Little by little, I'm getting everything put together. It's very, very exciting, a little bit overwhelming. I feel like I'm really getting a feel for the truck. I've been practicing backing up and getting a feel for how the truck fits into parking spaces. I've actually been driving it really well. I feel very comfortable driving it. So now I feel comfortable with the canopy. I've purchased almost everything that I need. Friday, I go and pick up the trailer, and I'll have a class and they'll explain everything, and that will start the next step where I'm going to practice parking, hitching, unhitching, getting comfortable with that, and then taking all the things that I bought at IKEA today and, putting it into the trailer and getting it ready for the road. So, all right, you guys, leave a comment in the comments section below. Let me know what you think about everything. And as always, thank you for watching.